Hi, we're in Jama's closet at her t-shirt shelf. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. We've taken a basket, we've rolled 20 t-shirts in here, and this way Jama can pick out what she's going to wear today. What are you wearing today, Jama?
I want to wear this Armani jacket, but I don't want it to be so formal.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our little t-shirt basket, undo this t-shirt, we're going to put it right underneath the jacket, and you've got a great funky t-shirt to wear with jeans, and you are good to go for the day.
Love it.
So that's organization. Basket before, here, and after, all organized. The other thing that we did is Jama's homework was to get this all cleaned up. Yesterday it was a pile of scarves and jewelry and handbags and hats, and what we did is she cleaned it all up and we put everything in its place. And one of the great things we did was we took all of her scarves and we rolled them in a drawer that goes in her dresser. And now her scarves are all in one place. She goes to the dresser, she puts her scarf on, and she walks out the door. And when she walks in here, she's reminded of all the beautiful things that she wants to wear. Her hat, her belt, and she's got her little leg brush there for the doggies. And it's all nice and clean and organized. How are you feeling about that, Jama?
I love it. I just really feel peaceful in here now.
And that's all. Organization is all about having time and happiness.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
Bravo.
Thank you.
That was fun. I mean, the truth of the matter is cleaning your closet out is just something you're going to have to do every so often.
Yes.
And Denise will actually come to your house and do it for you, because sometimes we do have that attachment. I mean, in that last segment, I was watching thinking, oh, I don't know if I could do this.
You want to. It's nice to have an objective eye to help you pare down your closet and really be honest with you about what looks good on you or what doesn't, as opposed to maybe a friend who's coveting that jacket. Oh, that jacket looks horrible on you. Get rid of it. I'll take it.
Yes, exactly. And there's the sentimentality, because sometimes you say, oh, but I wore that when I first met this person,
or you paid a lot of money for it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's look at what the closet actually looked like before you went in. Let's do a little before and after shot. Okay, so where was this now?
This was in the corner of her closet. She had a big steamer in the corner. She had clothes piled upon clothes, and everything was mixed in. Nothing was organized. She had pants next to jackets, next to t-shirts.
How'd she walk in there?
Well,
where's the walking space at that point?
Well, there was walking space, but it just wasn't very well organized. It was very messy, and she could never find anything, and then she would get frustrated and then end up just throwing something on and wasn't able to, get organized and wear something she loved.
Exactly.
Everything was too jam-packed in there because she had too many clothes that she wasn't wearing. And, it needed to be organized. The jeans needed to be organized and folded, the T-shirts, all that kind of thing, so that she can see what she has and then she can wear it.
And you can see all the different hangers. Everyone's on the green hanger, the yellow hanger.
Yeah, the wire hangers.
The wire hangers.
Yeah, so, and when everything's crammed in there, it doesn't hang nicely. When it's on different hangers, it doesn't hang nicely. But when you get it organized, you can see everything that you have, and you can wear it.
And it becomes more unaffordable in life, because then what happens is you say, ugh, I have nothing to wear, and you leave the house, and then you end up having to buy more. And where here, like you said, you can shop your own closet.
Shop your own closet.
So this is the area, this is pre-basket, huh?
Yes, this is pre-basket, and we'll have some pictures later on of the complete finished product in one of our next shows, and then you'll see what a completely finished, organized, beautiful closet really looks like.
Look at that. That was a mess.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
How can you find anything in there? You can't.
You can't.
You look at it and you walk out.
And like you said, with color coordinating, I think that makes it a lot easier. Here you've got every color all over the place, 3 different black ones on different shelves, and the same thing really right here with the way things are hung up.
Right, and that is exactly what her closet looked like. We didn't mess it up. That's how it was. And I think that a lot of people's closet looks like that, but they don't want to admit to it, and they don't want to go get help, but they should. It'll make their lives a lot easier.
And I have an important question. I think a lot of people that are watching will probably be asking. Now, Jama clearly has a lot of space in her closet.
Yes.
I would love a closet like that already has all those built-in shelves and more options to organize. So some people might be thinking, I'll play devil's advocate. Well, that's easy with that closet, but what about a smaller closet?
You can organize a smaller closet just by going again to Lowe's or Home Depot and buying some of their little shelving units and buying different hanging rods and making sure that everything in your closet closet is adjustable so that you can change your closet. And you need to look at what kind of clothes you wear. If you wear more clothes that need to be folded, then you get more shelves. If you get more hanging, you do more hanging space. But we can help you with that too.
So whether the closet is big or small, it can be done, and it should be done.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, up next, we are done with the closets, but we are diving into Albuquerque, the magazine, and there's tons inside, especially for the blushing bride. No more verse, because I can only get worse. How do you like that one? That's good, right?